Hi, my good name is Anne Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do red velvet cookies. Just follow along. Welcome. The cookies turned out so well. They're so sweet. They're so yummy. They're so chewy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anne Lele, and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. See you on the next one. Bye.